My name is Dr. T. Merrell Williams. I'm a periodontist. Been practicing for over 20 years in Tampa, Florida, as well as Wesley Chapel. Patients can get a variety of treatment at my office. Implants, non-surgical treatment for gum disease. We have digital x-rays, so it's low dosage. We also have interactive patient videos that helps them to understand the treatment that we want to propose to them. Patients come to dentists, they have high anxiety. So whenever we're doing treatment, we offer them some form of relaxation. That's the key. We also use laser, which is new in periodontal treatment. No cutting, no stitching. I've taken a course for periodontal plastic surgery for treating gum recession, where there's no cutting and no stitching as well. And that's revolutionary. So at my office, I try to be on the cutting edge, no pun intended, for treating my patients. I enjoy the treatment outcome of patients, so they can see before versus after. Dentistry is a science, but also an art.
We want to make sure that the patients are really taken care of, that from the moment they enter the door to the time they finish with their treatment, that everything is taken care of and that they feel like they are successfully receiving treatment.
We know that their time is as valuable as ours, so we try to treat them like it's one of us that's being treated, not just a person who just walks through the door and is a name. It's very important that they feel like they are our #1 priority when they come through our door.
It's convenient, it's in a great location, very friendly, and you know, when I come here I feel like at home. He's very professional, he knows what he's doing, he's playing every procedure that he's performing on you. He make you feel relaxed.
My core value that I have brought into my practice is whatever I do it so well that no person living or yet unborn could do it better. Treat the person in your chair as if that's one of your loved ones. If you do that, everything will take care of itself.